Happy days. Oh, so far. Oh, the fucking hell. Sorry, mate. He jumped over the hill net. Oh, fucking belter. See the dragging this thing trying to lift at this net. A bastard. There you go, mate. Happy days. At least you got a dog, eh? Ah. Ah, fuck. See ya. No snake, eh? Yeah. I had one wee chase there, eh, but it turned away. So I went, nah, not having it. You dinky do that, eh? Mate, they've fucking, there's some big ones still slipping about up there, eh?
Mate, there's big ones coming past me, aren't there?
Yeah. Ah, man. Not bad we fight. Off. Size that thing down there. To the left. Like, I saw it a wee bit like. Ah. That's a doozy like. Ah. That in. That's a doozy. Can't beat a good old snake, eh? No. Bad, mate. Yeah. See ya. There's that fucking... Oh, there's that belt, haven't it? I'm telling you. Fucking size of running. I'm storming for that day. Oh, you cunt. Oh, it's as big as Brunei I've ever had, probably. Getting off of the weeds. Look at the size of that. Woofed. Oh, fucking hell. Oof. Aye, it's a fucking beast. He's off again, eh? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's just shaking like that. So am I. Shaking and all.
Tell you somebody was getting a big brunny today, mate.
That's a man. Fucking swallow that for you now, like. Try and keep the phone up all the time, man. Well, that means cannibals.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. It's going to try and have on, I think that. Oh, don't do that. He's fucking twisted.
Yeah, he's back, you've got him again.
Oh, he's back, yeah. Fucking. Oh, you fucker, man! Oh!
There's a belt, isn't it?
Oh, you fucker! Get my forceps behind, please, mate. Mm-hmm.
I just stopped at the other end when you were putting it back in the water, but I've started
I was
that.
getting the hook out and eye.
I've started that again
He's
now.
fucking, he just swallowed it, man. It was right fucking down his tongue. I smashed that, man. Like the boy showing a video earlier, come here, they fish in the water. I thought, fuck up, a wee thread looking, hang on.
Bang, go on.
Oh,
You got any more then?
I've got a couple more. Mine specifically like this, but it was actually fucking kept floating to begin with and then started sinking. When it started sinking, I fuck. Well, I'm wet.
Told you some company's getting a big brunette today, mate. I smelt that this morning before we left.